Hello, my name is Brooks Cunningham. I'm an enterprise architect here at Fastly, and today I'm going to be giving a demonstration of how you can use GitHub Actions and rate limiting. So in this particular example, I'm going to go ahead and start the workflow. That's going to dispatch a workflow, and I'll explain what's actually happening within that as well as that runs. So what's happening here is we're spinning up the Fastly NexGenAF instance here as a GitHub service as part of that job. Walking through a number of steps, including giving enough time for the agent to get up and running. And then once the agent is running, we're going to send 10 requests. And this will allow us to test the rate limiting settings that we have configured. In this case, I'm rate limiting on the API key request header. And if we see 5 or more requests within 1 minute, then we're going to block those requests. And so if we see a 200 come back after 5 or more requests, then that's going to cause this job to fail. We're also going to give some time for the logs to upload. So let's go back to the workflow here. In this case, we're just going to click into here and see that job running. So it looks like it's completed in under 20 seconds. And if we see send request through WAF, by the 5th request, we should see a block. So in the first request, 200, second, 200, third, 200, okay, fourth, 200, okay. And then by the 5th request, we can see the requests are being blocked by the NextGen WAF. And the same goes for requests 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, all being blocked. Now, what does a failed workflow look like? So if we go back here, if that rate limiting rule was not working as expected, that would cause the job to fail. And then by the 5th request, I can see here that 200 OK is being returned, which is not what we would expect and not what's defined within the job. And so this is an example of how you can use the GitHub Actions and Fastly NextGen WAF to validate your security posture and security settings for the Fastly NextGen WAF. Thank you.